Okay, kids? Okay, try natin. Try natin. Stop. Okay. Familiar ba kayo sa pahabaan? Yes? Pasado na sa... Let's sing first a happy birthday song for Isaac. Bye. I have so much memories here. Join us as we celebrate Saki's birthday today. Mayday. Check. Hi friends, so we're currently here na sa Madron and surprise kami kasi reserve pala yung whole place for us, which is nice. This restaurant is actually a Persian Mediterranean cuisine restaurant. So, kami yung first guest na dumating. Ang mga titas of Manila kasi excited na kami kumain. So yeah, happy third birthday, my dearest Shaki boy. Hi, Dizzy.
Kasi itong kapatid ko na to.
Ano?
Sarmatic kasi to.
Okay.
Happy birthday, Shaki.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Wow. Saki!
How it's supposed to feel.